This is Chad Wood, Director of Bands at Staley Middle School in Frisco, Texas, with a presentation on ledger lines, or Music Basics Part 3. This is the bass clef edition. You can download this page and more theory worksheets at staleyband.org/theory. Remember, at any time, you can pause this video if you need more time to write, or you can rewind the video if you'd like to hear the information again. As always, the first thing we're going to do is write our name at the top. And it begins by saying, imagine if we could only play 9 notes on our instruments. The staff only has 5 lines and 4 spaces, but your instruments can play many more notes than these 9. To play higher and lower, we extend the staff using ledger lines. To help us understand how ledger lines work, we are going to combine the treble and bass clef into one grand staff. As we look at this big staff here, you'll notice that we have a connecting bar, as well as the double bar runs through both. It starts with bass clef on the bottom, treble clef is on top. As we remember from our previous worksheets, the bottom line of bass clef is G. As we go up, it's G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. Then we have our mystery box. The bottom line of treble clef starts with E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, and F. So now let's go down and try to figure out the notes that are missing. Knowing that the top line, or the line 5 of bass clef, is an A, going forwards in the alphabet, the next note, number 1, will be B, followed by C, and then third will be D. You'll notice that these connect the 2 staves. A ledger line is the small line that allows a note to be played outside the staff. The ledger line connecting the bass and treble clef is called middle C. Ledger lines can extend a staff both up and down. As you look at the back, it begins by explaining how we extend the staff. The staff uses the musical alphabet to get higher and lower. When the music is going up the staff, you use the forwards alphabet. As we see, our arrow says forwards ABC for higher ledger lines. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, continuing all the way up. When music is going down the staff, you use the backwards alphabet. That's why the down arrow says backwards ABCs for lower ledger lines, or G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G, F, and remember, it keeps repeating. Now we're going to use the music alphabet and keyboard to figure out the ledger line notes below. When the note names, write the note names on the keyboard and be sure to count every line and every space. We're going to begin on the low note side. First, we will write the backwards music alphabet. G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G, F, E, and you can continue writing until you run out of room on the line. Next, we're going to fill in the arrow to remind us that we are going down the bass clef. Now, if our bottom line, or line 1, is G, backwards is going to be an F, followed by an E, D, C, and B. So you can see we're going backwards in the alphabet, we're going to the left on the keyboard, and on the staff we are going lower or down. High notes are exactly the opposite. We use the forwards alphabet, so write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. Just continue until you run out of room. And just like before, we're going to fill in the arrow to remind us that we are going up the staff, or higher. Now the top line, or line 5 of bass clef, is named A. So we're going forwards in the alphabet, so this note will be a B, then a C, D, E, F.